Georgia, My State, Rivers, the Flint River by Amelia J. Pohl. Our table of contents, one of our text features. The Flint River starts as groundwater. The Flint River starts near the Atlanta airport. Let's explore. Hi, I'm Bagster. Let's explore the Flint River. It starts near the Atlanta airport in the Piedmont region. The Flint River begins as groundwater. Groundwater is water that is under the ground. It seeps up to the surface. Creeks and streams add water to the river. It gets bigger. The Flint tumbles fast over the fall line. A free river. The Flint flows freely. It is clean and natural. People have not changed it. It tumbles over shoals. There are shallow and rocky places in a river. It flows to Spreewell Bluff. A bluff is an area of high land. It crosses the fall line. This is an area of land that falls steeply. The water falls 70 feet in 2 miles. That's fast. The river twists and turns like an S. Twisting and turning. The Flint flows south into the coastal plain region. The land is flat and sandy here. The river becomes deep and wide. It moves slowly. It begins to twist and turn like an S. Sometimes the curves get cut off. They form oxbow lakes. These lakes are curved like horseshoes. Wetlands form in the foot lanes. Roads and towns can get flooded in a floodplain. Floodplains, wetlands, and swamps. There are big floodplains around the Flint. These areas flood with water when it rains a lot. They form wetlands and swamps. These are areas of land that are covered in water or all or part of the time. They help clean the water. Sometimes towns and roads get flooded too. Lake Blackshear is on the Flint River. The ground below Albany is limestone. You can see in this map where the Flint River is. You can see Lake Blackshear and Lake Chehaw near Albany. Blue Hole Springs form in the limestone. Dams, lakes, and springs. Dams block the water on the Flint River. The dams make Lake Blackshear and Lake Chehaw. Then the Flint flows to Albany. The ground here is limestone. This is a type of rock. Caves or holes in the limestone fill with groundwater. They make blue hole springs. The water bubbles to the surface. The springs are blue and cold. Barber's map turtle. Georgia's blind cave salamander. The shoal's spider lily needs the shoals to survive. Unusual wildlife. The Flint has many special habitats. Habitats are places where plants and animals live. The Georgia blind cave salamander is endemic to the Flint River. It does not live anywhere else. Shoals spider lilies and Barber's map turtles need the shoals to survive. So does the tiny Halloween darter. Farmers need the Flint River to water their crops. Stormwater drains into the Flint River. An important contribution. The Flint River does many important things. The river and its floodplains clean the stormwater from Atlanta. Stormwater runs off dirty streets and parking lots when it rains. Farmers water their crops with water from the Flint. The river also provides water to cities like Albany and Bainbridge. People need water to wash their cars. People need water for their lawns, and people need water to drink. The Flint River joins the Chattahoochee at Lake Seminole. They form the Apalachicola River in Florida. It takes Georgia's water to the ocean. People in Georgia need the water. People in Florida need water too. They cannot agree on how to share the water from Georgia. People learn about the river at the Flint River Aquarium. Let's keep it beautiful. The Flint River is unusual or different. It is one of the few rivers in the United States that flow freely for over 200 miles. People in Albany built the Flint River Aquarium. The River Aquarium helps them teach people about the Flint. They want to protect the river and keep it beautiful. This is our glossary. It's got the definitions of the bold words that we found in the text. And this is the index. The index is where we can look to find where we could find the information about specific things we needed to look for. If we wanted to know about the Piedmont as it relates to the Flint River, we would look on what page? That's right, page 5.